How to fix muted videos on TikTok. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first go to TikTok. Then go to your profile. On your top right corner, you will see a menu bar. Go to there. Then go to settings and privacy. After that, scroll down and go to report a problem. Now scroll and you have to select an option of videos and sound, and select audio not playing, and it will give you some solution. Make sure you have followed all this instruction. So it also says to clear video cache or restart the app. So if you do this, your problem should be fixed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.